Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to take out Absa CashSend. They call it like also CashSend. Let me say this guy forget to do whatever. So what you do, you must have your CashSend voucher, which is here with your what they call PIN. Okay, so that's simple. Touch on the machine, pressing everywhere. Okay, ask me for the card. It shouldn't do that. Touch every cancelled everything. Okay, cardless banking, cash send withdraw, you click on that. Yes, so after taking that, money transfer withdraw, cash send withdraw, this one you take that, which is option, that option. So enter 10-digit withdraw number, which I have in the book, so I'm gonna put it in here. Mine starts with a 6 3 6 4 1 2 6 6 8 0. When I'm done, I say next. So withdraw number, okay, which is that, we say yes. Proceed. Enter access code, which is 112233. Then we say enter. After doing that, it's gonna send me the money now. It's gonna give the money out. I'm just waiting for the cash. You see, here's the cash. They send me 600, 500. That's what they sent. Okay. Once you're done, it will show you that. Then you leave. Yeah. That's it. How to get your Capitec. It's Absa. I'm sorry, because they call it CashSend. It confused me. But also I made one for Capitec, FNB, Standard Bank. Yeah. So now I wanna pay my ticket for the car. Yeah. So after paying for the ticket, then I'm gonna have to go. Just put in the ticket like this. Let me see if I owe. It's 0. So I didn't spend a lot of money, a lot of time here. I'm taking it out. Thanks, sir. Sure. So that's what we did, guys. I think also you see I use a lot of ATMs in this Kilani Mall. So it's something which is super good because we do what we do what we do. This is one of the safest malls, you get me, in the north. It's small, convenient, there's always parking. So you just come from M1, you can see M1, that is M1. If you're from Houghton, if you're from Johannesburg, if you're from Sandton, that side, maybe you are on your way to Centurion, Pretoria, all that is very, very close, because there's an off-ramp on M1 to Kilani here. You can see. Yeah, that is M1. So that's why I use this mall a lot. It's something which is very, very convenient. Well, guys, we're done with that. We're gonna drive out of the mall. But if you want us to do one video, there's a guy who told me to do another video on
just see when somebody gives you a task.
The video he wants to use Capitec deposit, and once I get time, I'm gonna do that video. Guys, please, any video you want, ask us to do that for you, because that's our job. And when you like, subscribe, share and comment, it gives us more courage to make more videos. Let me do this. Let me put in the ticket, then I leave. Yeah, it opened for me. So in Killarney, if you spend less than 15 minutes, you don't pay for parking, but if you spend more than that, you pay. But some malls, like in the East Rand, most malls, they don't much pay. But malls in the North, much of them, they pay. Get me? That's the thing. That's the difference. But then, what I like is this mall is safe. Easy access to M1. So, like now I'm driving towards what they call Oxford Road, like you're going to Rosebank. Also, Rosebank Mall is so good because it's big. Also, the parking is safe. But now this is the closest place to me. It's closer than Rosebank, but from here to Rosebank, I think it's 2 kilometers to 3 kilometers. So if I find like the machines were not working, like one machine was not working, but if both of them were not working, I was gonna go to what they call Rosebank Mall. Also, Rosebank Mall is good and it's not far. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to suggest the video you'd like us to make, and also don't forget to share. Also comment if we made some mistakes. We really apologize. And if we made a video and you liked it, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment. So just in the next, last time when I said last time, there's a street in Killarney I love the most. Now you're gonna see that street. I'm about to reach that place. This is my favorite street where I'm turning now. Yeah, this is the street I love a lot, but they call it North Avenue. In Killarney, it's very clean, just nice trees, nice flats. Everything is nice on this street. I love it so much. Every time I come to Killarney, I come to this street. Yeah, well, I'm leaving my good street. I'm moving towards Bukamuso Academy. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. So that's the way they say they do Capitec, what Absa CashSend.